Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to continue with our lesson, unit number 1, elephant, and a subtopic, revenge. So our assignment for today is the word spelling and the translation of a passage that you are going to note down on your notebook. So let's begin with the word spelling. Please take out your English notebooks. First of all, you are going to mention the date and day. Today's date is 6th April 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Next up, you are going to mention the unit number, topic and subtopic. Then draw a clear margin line. Divide your notebook or paper in sections to write word spelling. So the first word that you are going to learn and write is log. A huge piece of tree trunk. दरख्त का तना. टिंकलिंग, a ringing sound, घंटियों की आवाज़. Succulent, full of juice, रस भरा. Upheaval, disturbance, परेशानी या बेतरतीबी. Chatter, noise या शोर. Panic, become afraid, खौफजदा हो जाना. Hoarse, sounding rough, आवाज़ का ख़राब होना. Stammer, falter या हकलाना, अटक अटक कर बोलना. Now here is the paragraph that you are going to note down in your notebook. The next moment the sky was split by lightning. अगले ही लम्हे आसमान बिजली से चमक उठा. In the momentary glare of the flat sheet of light, I saw Shock Dog directly ahead, moving towards the thigh, with her head lowered and her trunk curled under her lip. उजाले की इस मुस्तशादे की आर्जी रोशनी में टेम्परेरी समथिंग दैट माइट एंड सून. मैंने शो डॉग को बिल्कुल सामने सर झुकाए और सूंड के होंठ तले खमीदा किए या दबाए या उसको मोड़े हुए देखा, झोंपड़ी की तरफ जाते हुए देखा. I jumped on to my feet and began to shout in warning. थकिन मक्के थकिन. मैं उछल के खड़ा हुआ और ख़बरदार करने के लिए चाहा. थकिन मक्के थकिन. Okay students, that is all from my side today. I hope that you have understood the lesson, and since the lesson is very short today, so I hope that you are going to learn the translation of other paragraphs that we have done in the previous lecture. Until the next class, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.